my name is Kaka. I'm 9 years old, and today I'll tell you about basketball. Basketball is a sport that the USA like to play. Basketball born in USA too, and the first people who play basketball is the American people. He has black skin. And basketball began to the sport that everyone very like more than soccer in USA, because in USA they don't like soccer. Basketball court is not as big as football field. They just big like a big house. In the world, basketball court is perfect. It has rectangle shape. But in the city, the children play. They doesn't mind that the basketball court must rectangle. They can be round. They can be square. They can be any shape. They just need a basket to throw the ball and score. Basketball rules is easy to remember. We have to steal the enemy balls and throw it to the basket of the enemy, and you'll get points. Or if the enemy steal your ball and they throw into the basket, and they will get points too. In some match, the score of two teams plus together can be up to 200. That's lots of scores and lots of people scores. Football ball is not bigger than the basketball, but basketball has many sizes. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5. Many. But some size of basketball are smaller than the football. That size is for little kids like me. Now I'll talk to you about leagues. USA also have the most fantastic basketball leagues in the world. It's the league named NBA. It's very fantastic. The fans are crazy, and they are worried what team will be win or will be lose, and they will be Now I'll talk to you about amazing players. Talk talk with USA. Talk about USA, basketball in USA. We have to talk about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is the best basketball player in the world, not just USA. He also called people also call him Air Jordan because he just jumped a little, but his body flies like a bird, and his body weight is like 0 kilogram, just like the air. So people called him Air Jordan, and today I wear a Jordan basketball t-shirt, and the costume in basketball is very beautiful. They're more beautiful than football or rugby or golf, or they are very beautiful. And some are like me, have just this for cold day. And the hot day they'll be not the white part here, and then just at here. And basketball costume are very cool, so they doesn't feel hot. And in the basketball yard in the world, they also have air conditioner, but it's just in the hot, very hot day. And because why? In Vietnam, in Vietnam the summer is very hot, and summer match of all the sports they have to use air conditioner, but in USA or United Kingdom or the country that always play basketball, they don't have to use air conditioner. They don't always have to use air conditioner. Also, summer they don't have, because in the winter they can be under zero. The weather can be under zero, and so in the winter in the summer it just be 24 degrees Celsius. So it is cool. So people, they doesn't have to use air conditioner. They just make on the fire, not use the air conditioner. After league happens and it's the end, the stars in the north and in the south will have a match to visit them in battle. That battle is very, very fantastic. And talk about fantastic, we have to talk about the best league in the world. It's named NBA in USA. The NBA league is very fantastic, and they are very, very good to see, because we can study from the lesson, from the match, or the people who like basketball can learn what is the rule of basketball, or how can they throw the ball very well and always score lots of points. The NBA is the basketball league, basketball yard in NBA is very beautiful too. There are lots of seats for the visitors, for the fans, and the basketball yard are very, very, very beautiful. And the people who play basketball are always like giants. They're very big, they're very tall. They always taller than 1 meter and 90 centimeters. The basketball player in China has he is 2 meters and 10 centimeters. He's too tall. He don't have watery bones because it's not because he doesn't use medicine or something else. He have to learn, and he have to do exercise. They run and they jump rope every day, and the basketball player can jump thousands of times. Now I'll talk you about the simples of basketball. Thank you for watching my presentation. Goodbye, see you next time.